Karma guy here. Check this out. This van comes equipped with a motorized wheelchair ramp valued at approximately $9,000. It's all about accessibility and convenience right here. And here's the kicker. It's a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. That's not all, folks. We're also offering a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. And hey, don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option available at the time of sale. Because here at Karma Automotive Group, we believe in peace of mind. Remember, we always encourage a pre-purchase inspection to ensure this van meets all your needs. So why wait? Come on down to Karma Automotive Group and let's get you rolling in style. See you soon.